Today I thought I'd share a project with you. I made a personal size traveler's notebook from scrapbook paper. This paper line is the Bella Blvd, and I bought it from Peachy Cheap a few weeks back. I believe I did a haul on it. And I decided to make a paper TN from some tutorials I saw on YouTube. I will be selling this. If you're interested, just contact me and let me start by flipping through it. On the front we have this chipboard rainbow, and it's attached to the elastic closure, and we have a paper charm with some beads attached to the side, and I reinforced the holes with some eyelets. And then I have this bird paper clip, and I just put a little Happy Easter die cut on there, thinking this would be a perfect Easter gift for your little loved one in your life. So to open it up, we just slide off that and we open it up. And so the scrapbook paper has been covered in contact paper, clear contact paper. So it gives it some more sturdiness. And then we open it up on the inside, and we've got 4 inserts. So this first one says, "Small blessings make life a joy," and there's a chipboard sticker bumblebee. And in this insert we have some lined paper, some sheets of lined paper. Then the next insert, it says, "May you always be brave enough to fly," with another chipboard bumblebee. And this one has some graph paper. The third insert is a rainbow with a chipboard sunshine, and it says, "You are amazing, you are important, you are special, you are unique, you are kind, you are precious, you are loved." And then the last insert says, "You will always be my bunny," and it has a flower chipboard sticker. And I left this one empty so that you can add watercolor paper or coloring paper, a calendar, whatever you would want. And that's the back of the cover, and this is where the elastic comes out. So it's got 4 elastics, so there's 1 elastic for each insert. And then we just untangle that. Close it up, and I think it's just adorable. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through.